Many types of agricultural drones in the market showcase all sorts of imaging features, scientific data and analysis, and add-on gadgets. Each comes with merit, and the choice depends on the farmer's budget, size, and feature requirements. 1. Fixed-wing drones. The fixed-wing drone looks and functions like a tiny airplane. They partially glide so they can have much longer airtime. 2. Multi-rotor type drone. The most commonly known drone is the multi-rotor drone, which has about 4 to 8 rotors or propellers. Meet the incredible DJI Mavic 3M multispectral. This effective aerial surveying drone lets you see the unseeable, gain actionable insights with crop health analytics, mapping, and more. The Mavic 3M has 2 forms of sight, combining an RGB camera with a multispectral sensor to scan and analyze crop growth with high clarity. Agricultural production management requires precision and data, and Mavic 3M delivers both. DJI Mavic 3M price is only $538. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.